Hello friends, this video shows how to list all Homebrew packages available to install. We can use uh, Homebrew search command to list all uh, Homebrew packages. So these are the packages. So if you want to search for a particular package, you can do brew search pipe grep Python. So this will show all Python packages. You can also do like this. Instead of pipe and grep, you can directly do brew search package name. You can see these are the Python packages. So if you want to see uh, the Homebrew packages installed using Homebrew, you can run brew list. So these are the packages installed in this Mac system using Homebrew package manager. So if you want to see the installed packages with their dependencies, you can run this command brew dips -tree -installed. So then you can see the package, for example, git review. So git review as Python dependency. This Python has these dependencies. So you can see the package name and its dependency tree. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.